You have the Blu. This is the G33. Really easy to identify. This should work with most Blu phones. You unfortunately have forgotten your PIN pattern or password and you don't know what to do. Let me help you. And if you watch to the end, I've got a free gift for you that will help you always remember your PIN pattern or password. All right, let's get into it. If you've forgotten your PIN pattern or password, you have to reset the phone. This is how we do it. We're going to power the device off. Press the power button. Press the power button. Press the power button here. Nope, press the power button here. Volume up. There we go. Power off. All right, it takes a few seconds for the device to power off. And now we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. A few more seconds for the Blu logo to go all the way away. All right, now it vibrates. Now we'll wait another second. Now, volume up and power. We're going to wait, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. While we're waiting, I'm going to remind you that even if we reset the phone, you have to still log in with your Google or Gmail account. All right, as soon as the logo shows up, you can let go. And then that will bring up the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, we're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Remember, it's going to erase absolutely everything. All photos, messages, contacts, apps. All right, press power for OK. Here's the confirmation. Wipe all user data that cannot be undone. Scroll down to Factory Data Reset. Press power for OK. And it can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes to get this data wipe is complete. Now it's safe to reboot the system. You press power for OK. It's going to take you back to the setup screen, the welcome screen, to enter all your information again to set up your phone. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and this document is a free download in the description and the links. Very easy to fill out, whether it's for you or you're helping your kids or you're helping grandma and grandpa. Just fill out everything about the phone. And then if you're a PIN person, fill it out here. If you're a password person, here. And if you're a pattern person, this is how you do it. S for start, F for finish, and then draw your pattern. And then most importantly, you're going to store this sheet of paper somewhere safe where if grandma or grandpa or your kids or you forget, you can just refer to this sheet, and that way you won't have to erase everything on your phone again. If this helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.